Good morning, saints. We turn page to the book of Acts 1 from verse 6. So when they had come in together, they were asking him, saying, Lord, is it time you are restoring the kingdom to Israel? He said to them, It is not for you to know times or epochs which the Father has fixed by his own authority, but you will receive power when the Holy Spirit has come upon you, and you shall be my witnesses both in Jerusalem and in all Judea, Samaria, and even the remotest parts of the earth. Over here, even after the resurrection, the disciples were still thinking in earthly terms, asking Jesus if he would now restore the kingdom to Israel. Jesus gently redirected them, not correcting their hope, but expanding their vision. Their focus was too small, too local. God's plan was global. Instead of political restoration, they were being called into spiritual transformation that would reach the ends of the earth. Jesus shifted their question from when to how. He said, You will receive power, and you will be my witnesses. Their role was not to control seasons, but to fulfill missions. Many believers get stuck trying to figure out God's timeline, when what he really wants is our participation. The resurrection repositions us from spectators of prophecy to participants in purpose. I hope you have a wonderful week. Shalom.